What we're gonna do today is, so we're gonna build this, and there's a QR code so you could like see how it works. And first, these are all the pieces we need, so. Now we need there. Seven, 8. Alright, putting it on the base. Nope. Boom! This was the lamp holder, but we had to improvise it so that well, what we did is we had to make like our own little machine, so we made like this. Like, so we have these two balls here, and we put a ball there in there, and then when we do that, the ball's gonna fall and drop into the bucket, and then the bucket's gonna make this pull, gonna make the piece go up, and then the ball's gonna go run out. Okay, let's try it. Finally!